Good morning, children. In today's GK class, we are going to read chapter 9 and chapter 10. So, children, please take out page number 26. So, the chapter 9 is Indian Music Decoded. So, what is the meaning of the children decoded? So, decoded means to convert into some different form. Okay. Now, here in the page 27 we have different questions, so you have to fill the answers of these questions in the crossword that is given on page number 26. So see the question, children. Solve this crossword based on terms from Indian music using the clues given below. Now see here, the clues are: first, across, a disciple who undertakes to learn from a guru. So it is Shishya, Shishya. So you will write the same thing here, Shishya. Now the next question is Tamil word for a concert or a musical event. So it is Kachari. So it is here Kacheri. Now the next is a type of composition in Carnatic music. So it is Kriti. So it is here, see here, Kriti. The next word is, see here, 8 number, a form of music associated with Sufi mystics. So it is Qawwali. So it is here, Qawwali. The next one, school or style of singing like Gwalior, Delhi or Agra. So it is Gharana. Now it is here, children, 9 number, Gharana. The next question, a form of Urdu poetry that is often sung. So it is Ghazal. So it is here, Ghazal. Now the next one, children, down. In Indian music, the smallest interval of pitch that the human ear can hear, it is Shruti. So you find it here, Shruti. The next word, a form of devotional poetry from Maharashtra. So it is Abhanga. So it is here, Abhanga. Next one, you find here a style of light classical singing. So it is Thumri. It is here, children, Thumri. The next question, that is an Urdu word which means tune or music. It is Nagma, Naghma. Okay, children. Now these are the terms related to Indian music. Now here we have a cool fact, children. See here, all ragas composed by the legendary singer Mian Tansen are prefixed with the words Mian Ki or Ka as a tribute to him. So it is a very important point. Just underline it. Well known of these are, now well known rags of this legendary singer are Mian Ki Todi. So you find this, it is prefixed by Mian Ki and Mian Ka Sarang. Okay. Now the next chapter, children, please turn your page. That is chapter number 10. Now this chapter is about the world famous statues. So children, we have a question here. See there. Here are some of the world's famous statues. In many cases, the statue is the best known landmark of the city itself. Match the images with the cities where they are found. So here in this chapter, you find the pictures are given of many statues. So you have to match it with the cities where they are found. Now some of those images are also the landmark of that city itself. So let's start. The first one, the Motherland Calls. So it is from Volgograd, Russia. The second, Statue of Liberty. This you know, children. It is in New York, USA. Third, Christ the Redeemer. So it is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The fourth is Merlion, so it is in Singapore. Fifth one is David, it is in Florence, Italy. Sixth, Fountain of Four Rivers. Now it is in Rome, Italy. Seventh one is Little Mermaid. Now you find it in Copenhagen. It is in Denmark. Now eighth one is The Thinker. So this you find in Paris, France. Ninth is Eros. That is in Piccadilly Circus, London, UK. And this is the last one, Mannequin Pis. So it is in Brussels, Belgium. So these are the images, and we have read about the cities in which they are found. Now let's move to the cool fact, children. Now here we have very important point. One of the oldest statues in the world is the 4,500-year-old small bronze figure of the dancing girl, which was found at Mohenjo-daro. So it is a very important question can come, like which is the one of the oldest statues in the world. So you can write it is the statue of a dancing girl which is 4,500 years old. And where it is found? It is found in Mohenjo-daro. So children, please write the answers of these two chapters in your book and learn them. So in the next class we are going to read the next chapter. Till then, thank you.